What new vulnerabilities in Russia's military have Ukraine's strikes revealed? The latest attacks expose surprising weaknesses that could shift the war's balance in unexpected ways. Ukraine's recent missile and drone strikes have exposed significant gaps in Russia's air defense systems. Despite a dense network of radars and surface-to-air missiles, many attacks successfully bypass these defenses, showing that Russia's systems are not fully integrated or effective. This vulnerability allows Ukraine to target critical command centers and ammunition depots, crippling Russian operations. The failure to neutralize low-flying drones and precision missiles highlights these defense weaknesses clearly. Ukraine's precision strikes on Russian supply lines have uncovered a fragile and poorly defended logistics network. Key roads, bridges, and railways used to move troops and equipment are vulnerable to disruption. Russian convoys have suffered heavy losses, slowing reinforcements and resupply. This exposes not only logistical challenges, but also command failures in securing critical routes, which creates operational bottlenecks and reduces frontline combat effectiveness. Ukraine's targeted attacks against Russian command and control centers expose a key vulnerability: weak battlefield coordination. Destroying these hubs disrupts communication chains, causing confusion among Russian units. This leads to delayed responses and inefficient troop deployments. The strikes show that Russia's command structures are centralized and susceptible to precision attacks, which can paralyze decision-making during critical moments. Ukraine's strikes have peeled back the curtain on several critical vulnerabilities in Russia's military, from air defense gaps to fragile supply chains and disrupted command. These weaknesses could determine the conflict's future course. Stay curious and hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.